Yo boys, this is gonna be like a trade recap of how I traded FOMC, but it's not. It was live, but it wasn't an actual trade I placed because that'd be. I'm still not confident trading high impact news like that, but I just wanted to give it a go because this setup was really good, and I don't. Another reason why I didn't take it live, I don't really be trading Euro USD at all. I've just been looking at conditions of it and seeing it's like pretty nice, so I was testing it out. But yeah, I normally stick to gold, but yeah, this trade was on Euro USD, and yeah, for my system, I kind of incorporate a tiny bit of ICT with SMC, support resistance, blah blah, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'll delete. Oh, yeah, I'll delete all of this, and I'll show you boys how I viewed the market. It's coming into 4 hour. I tend to stay around the 4 hour, but when I do, I may go to the daily. Daily, we have a no close right here with a clear weak low down here. So my daily's bearish. My 4 hour, clear downtrend from that no close, and weak low still. And at the time before this trade, there was another weak low here. So coming off this 4 hour protected high. So another reason for me to be bearish. 1 hour. We are still respecting this and kind of just waiting for a move to be structured to get down to this weak low. As you can see, we're kind of going up, but like it's all lower volume. And yeah, my first expectation was we're going to come up, sweep this high, and then go down, but we didn't actually sweep it. We formed no close with new structure here. So coming on the 15-minute where I like to execute my entries. You can see here we made protected high earlier, or maybe it was a no close. How you want to view it? Yeah, probably a no close, and with a weak low here, and we actually hit that. I wasn't on Euro USD when that happened, so yeah, because I was like 3 in the morning, and then we hit this low. I remember that, and then we came up here, and up here we have this no close. It's this zone, and then we also have a protected high with a sweep here. I'll mark this out for you boys just so it's not confusing if you're following along to it. No close, IPH, and 15-minute break structure to downside. So with this, and also divergence. I forgot to, if I go 30-minute, there's divergence here. As you can see, this is lower, this is higher, this is higher, this is lower, causing divergence, or in other words, RSI. So that's that. Back to 15-minute. So I like to get my entries in. So we'll go here. We have a clear weak low right here. If price did end up going down here, if I wanted to be extra, could have got it down here. But yeah, I just want to be in and out, especially during news. So we had this for my entries. I like to wait for lots of confirmation. So with this, I have marked at this gap here. And ultimately, I wanted to see if we were going to respect this gap, push up, and then sweep for the no close and sweep up here, and then come down. But yeah, let me mark it out. Probably sound like gibberish. Where's that tool? Where's that tool? 1 second. Here. And that's what it. Path. That's it. So it's like so I wanted to see if we come down to this gap right here, go doom, hit that, and then reject back up to sweep this, and then head all the way down. But that did not happen. And when we got that 15-minute doji here, I thought that could be a possibility. So I waited for my entry once we inverse this gap. So go. Once we inverse this gap, I entered shorts here, covered the wick above the gap, and targeted this low like that. And this was like an hour before news I entered, and it's overall a really good setup. I pretty much went break even as soon as we took. So we made this like a rejection, you could call it, of a bullish candle, and then once we took that bullish candle, I went break even. So I went break even probably around here at this low, and then yeah, the rest is history, I guess. This fucking FOMC candle, came up, edged my break even, and went back all the way down. Wasn't really looking at it live, I'm not gonna lie, I took it and went to bed, but I definitely would have gone break even there. And yeah, it's like most of people that watch these are from trading pools community, so this is pretty, like, it's a trading pool system, but I've tweaked it to how I'm looking at the charts, and yeah, that's how I got 3R during FOMC.